In this video, I will show you how to convert MOV to MP4. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've currently got this file here, which is an MOV file. So this is the one we're going to be using in today's tutorial. And to convert this to an MP4, what we're going to be doing is using a website which is called cloudconvert.com. So what you need to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to the website, which is cloudconvert.com/MOV-converter. What that's going to do is take you across to a website like this, and from here you just want to click onto the red select file button. Once you do that, it's going to open up your file explorer, and from here you want to select the MOV file on your PC. So what I'm going to do is click onto desktop, as mine was on my desktop, and you can see our MOV file here. All you need to do is click to select your file, and then click onto the open button, and what that's going to do is take you to a page like this. Then all you need to do is come across to the right hand side, click onto the drop down box, and on this box that comes up you want to select video, and you're going to see an option for MP4, so just go ahead, give that a click, and then all you need to do is come down and click onto the red convert button. What that's going to do is upload your file to the Cloud Convert website, and then it's going to start processing and converting your file from a MOV file format to MP4. As mentioned, this is completely free to do. There is no charge for this, and it only takes a couple of minutes to actually convert your file. Of course, it might take a bit longer, it just depends on the size of your file, but as you can see, it's currently processing and converting that file from an MOV to MP4. Once the file has finished converting, as you can see, it now says finished, and it's going to be a download button. So what you want to do is give that a click. This is going to download this onto your PC. And as you can see, if we come up to the top right hand corner, this has now been converted to an MP4 file format. So that's how to convert MOV to MP4. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.